Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Varsha Chajad. I am the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I am going to explain things on Power BI training, job support for corporate and individual, project support for corporate and job support for individual via Power BI freelancer or agency. We are 15 years old company. Max Munis is one of the best online Power BI job support company. Whether implementing new products or upgrading your current environment, Max Munis can provide remote Power BI job support for the functional and technical aspect of your projects. We ensure your project's success at a lower cost than having an on-site consultant and without the skill gap, time zone, and communication issues experienced when offshoring project role. More efficient and cost-effective service from dedicated Power BI freelancer who know your business and your system. Next, hire Power BI freelancer for implementation consulting and outsourcing of Power BI project. Hire Power BI freelancer subject matter expert and get Power BI freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Power BI freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource Power BI work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution. Offering system, implementation solution, resources and training. Moving on to the next, we have introduction, flexible packages, features and benefits, consulting range, and why Maximus. Power BI freelancer for Power BI support. If you are working on Power BI products and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource Power BI project, then Maximus is just a call or email away to provide you Power BI help. We provide Power BI online job support for professionals to help them perform their task on Power BI product. We have a wide range of Power BI subject matter expert, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in this field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as Power BI freelancer. We provide Power BI job support to individual as well as corporate client. For individuals, we provide Power BI freelancer who will do Power BI job support or Power BI project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate client, we provide a Power BI freelancer who provide project support for their IT projects. Our Power BI freelancer can provide end-to-end Power BI project support as well as Power BI implementation support. Power BI freelancers are available in your time zone. It can be from USA, UK, India, Europe, etc. as per your requirement. Process we follow. The process we follow for our online Power BI job support service, we receive your inquiry for Power BI online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tools you are using. If our consultant is 100% confident in taking up your requirement and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide service and you have to make the payment to get the service from us. We will fix the timing for the Power BI job support or Power BI help us mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of Power BI consultants available who can provide end-to-end complete Power BI implementation support in your project in your specific time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirement with us and rest all will be done by Maximus and your project starts. Flexible packages. Our website is considered as the best Power BI job support company and the best website to hire Power BI freelancer. We have designed some very flexible plan which will help the employee to find and hire Power BI freelancer as per their need. Even Power BI implementation support in highly complex project is also possible. Paper ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take Power BI job support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So this plan is for those who want our service on a ticket basis. Paper hour. If you have some technical issue in your job and you want Power BI help from our experts for continuous guidance in solving the issue, then you can optimize for this hourly plan. Take online Power BI job support for required hourly and pay only for those hour consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue in your job and you need Power BI help, then our expert provides continuous guidance in solving all the issue and you can optimize for this monthly plan. Take online Power BI job support for the whole 1 month and get smooth Power BI freelancer support for the complete month. Discuss issue wherever it arises. We will provide step-by-step Power BI installation guide and we will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are looking for some immediate solution in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get Power BI job support immediately. Our expert will be available on immediate basis to solve your query. Features and benefits. Customize Power BI freelance services for individual as per as corporate. It will be smoother flow of project with us and you will be able to do 24/7 tracking of Power BI project. It will be ultimate cost effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quite capable of handling with data and security challenges. Next we have Power BI projects consulting range. Max Munis provide customized Power BI job support services remotely via online for individual candidates and corporate clients. Max Munis is considered as best freelancer Power BI consulting company and the best Power BI implementation support partner for its client. Max Munis has expertise in all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' product, you can confidently outsource Power BI project to us. We can support you from 1 hour work to 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultant for resolving issue, application support, resources for coordinating issue across other teams. Technical consulting including application database administrator and project managers to provide overall management of your project. Our freelancer Power BI crew has deep expertise in product and solution has the ability to implement complex solution and provide post-implementation project support also across anywhere in the world. Some of the areas are mentioned below. Project management, project quality assurance development, process optimization and system optimization, workforce system optimization, implementation and post-implementation support. Next we have dreams. Hire Power BI freelancer for implementation consulting and outsourcing of project. As you know, we have a wide range of Power BI subject matter experts. They exclusively work with us as Power BI freelancer. We provide Power BI project support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide Power BI freelancer who will do Power BI job support or Power BI project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate client, we provide a Power BI freelancer who provides project support for their IT projects. Our Power BI freelancer can handle end-to-end Power BI implementation as well as Power BI project support. Hire Power BI Freelancer and get Power BI Freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Power BI Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer current and future challenges. Outsource Power BI work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering systems, implementation solution, resource and training. Best website to find and hire Power BI Freelancer. Power BI is a business analytics service developed by Microsoft and was released in the year 2014. Its main aims to provide interactive visualization and business intelligence capabilities with an interface simple enough for end user to create their own report and dashboards. Power BI provide cloud-based BI business intelligence services known as Power BI services, along with a desktop-based interface called Power BI Desktop. It offers data warehouse capabilities including data preparations, data discovery, and interactive dashboards. Next, Max Munis Power BI support. Max Munis is Power BI project consulting company. Power BI project support for corporate and job support for individual via Power BI Freelancer or Power BI implementation. Power BI Freelancer hire Power BI Freelancer and get online Power BI job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Outsource Power BI project and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solution, resources and training. Talking about Power BI project consulting, Max Munis is 15 years old, trustworthy Power BI project consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. Get customized Power BI job support to individual in their project. Power BI support for corporate. We have customized Power BI project support as per company's Power BI project requirement. Company will be having flexibility to choose location mode on-site or online and we will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select Power BI freelancer from pool of professional subject matter expert. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in Power BI implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employee to start working on the projects from day one. Power BI support benefits for individual person. Customize support as individual's Power BI project requirement. Get complete Power BI job support. We will help employee to start working on the project from day one of Power BI project. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on Power BI project as per individual requirement. We will arrange industry-specific subject matter expert to provide Power BI job support for your Power BI project. We will provide step-by-step progress assessment of your Power BI project. Power BI market opportunity. Let's talk about current Power BI market opportunity. I have written top best job sites for USA, UK, Europe and India. You can apply and get Power BI job across the globe. And wherever you stuck in project, we are there with you. Hire Power BI freelancer and get customized Power BI support in online or remotely. These are our top clients for whom we have already provided Power BI job support in India as well as outside India. Power BI support across the globe. Max Munis has uh, conducted 10,000 plus freelancer Power BI support for implementation and outsourcing project for individual and corporate client. Get Power BI support across the globe. Why Maximinus? One of the biggest challenge why big IT projects are not shared on freelancing sites is that most of the time the relevant set of IT skilled professional is not available to work as freelancer. Maximinus is considered the best freelancer Power BI consulting company. Maximinus has the expertise in all product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, Power BI. Step by step, Power BI guide and solutions on all tickets of above mentioned companies and their products. Hire Power BI freelancer online or subject matter expert after seeing the review will not be a great idea when it comes to IT project because all projects are time bound. Hence, we provide complete customized solution to you. We will arrange a video conference call with the subject matter expert. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding the expertise of the subject matter expert or expert Power BI freelancer, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong, an immediate replacement will be provided by Maximinus at no cost. The money will be released to Power BI freelancer or subject matter expert at various levels of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion Power BI support. Our concluding, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire Power BI freelancer and get online Power BI job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize Power BI support as per company's Power BI project requirement. Industry specific senior subject matter expert will be arranged who know your Power BI project well in advance and have done very good implementation projects on the same. Outsource Power BI project earn exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution. Offering system, implementation solution, resources and training. Customize Power BI support for individual for Power BI job support in their Power BI project. For any more further information or if you want to enroll with us for Power BI job support session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID is contact@maxminis.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Power BI, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the entire Power BI job support session with Max Muniz. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.